The Tecno Spark 30 is an attractive, budget-friendly smartphone that offers solid features for everyday use, though it has some limitations typical of its price range. Released in October 2024, the phone features a sizable 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 800 nits peak brightness, which makes for a smooth and bright visual experience. With a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, the display is clear enough for multimedia consumption and light gaming. Its design is appealing and comes in several finishes, including Stellar Shadow and Astral Ice, and it's also IP64 rated. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 processor and 8GB of RAM, the Spark 30 handles multitasking efficiently and is suitable for social media, streaming, and light gaming. However, it may struggle with more demanding games and applications, which is consistent with expectations for this chipset in budget phones. The device includes 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, making it ideal for users needing ample storage on a budget. The Spark 30 impresses with its 64-megapixel primary camera, providing good quality photos in well-lit settings. The front-facing 13-megapixel camera includes a dual LED flash, helping to improve selfie quality, even in low light. Battery life is also strong thanks to its 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging support. Overall, the Tecno Spark 30 is a good value for everyday smartphone needs, with its stylish design, decent display, and capable battery life. Thank you so much.